back again. I'm almost done. I'm halfway done again. Now I'm saying the other word. I said, go! I love the mix. I make this. I did one more place. I'm not done. Two. See? I'm working it out. Hurry. Oh, wait. I have a idea. May. Bakit Cory? Forgot something. Sino? Bakit? Bakit Cory? Hey, I'm almost done. I'm almost done of the body. When I complete, see? Hi, like you. Did you know I'm playing baby in Lingyo before I finish all? I will show you I have 50 like me, 50 subscribers because I not can do it because I have little bit subscribers. Subscribe, I will show you. Just please, I need 50 subscribers. Just quick. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. I'm almost done of everything else. I'm almost done to put more things. I need a piece. Where's it? Yeah, it's midnight. Do you want to see? I will show you now. See, my outside is midnight. I'm not talking about that. I want to finish. I forgot something. Tell you, are you human or not? Because I don't want to talk to AI. Oh, such a feeling long of AI. Hey, what you mean? You can comment. You can bother me. I don't care. It's okay. You can bother me. Sex is. I don't need it. I need something. Hey.